am Jett.
I'm Jaden, and we are the kitchen best kids.
Today we're gonna fry a chicken.
This is an electric skillet.
With fried chicken! Chicken without oil.
Step 1, press temp and then the up button. Go to 450 degrees. Then plug it in. Wait 3 minutes and do the water test.
Chicken's ready. We just spin the water.
The water is ready. The water is dancing. We're ready to cook. You have to ask an adult to help you.
Here we're doing a pretty chicken.
Jaden, you're good at that. Oh, Jaden, you're good. Do the other ones. Jaden, you're so good at cooking. Oh.
Mommy, I'm ready. That's right, it's frozen.
Crack it if you want to fry.
You can choose what you want to bake.
If it doesn't stick anymore, it's time to flip. Whoa! That's it for. You're good at that.
Is it ready yet?
Let's check. Ta-da! Now put it on the plate. Yeah.
Good job.
What? It's cooked already? It's fried chicken already without oil? Ah! Let's taste it. It's good.
I'm done.
Yes, taste it.
So good.
I'm done. Wow, that was so wrong.
You did really good.
And this is how you make chicken. Don't forget to subscribe if you click this red big button.
Bye!